So let's get straight to the idea. First we have to ask a question. Why a startup? You see, a 9 to 5 job is not safe, but being your own boss is. Startup solves a problem at large scale. There are loads of opportunities for you. You get to manage your own time. There is a lot of time flexibility because you are your own boss. Also, there is financial independence, and we cannot deny about personality development. Around 61,400 startups have been recognized in India alone as of Jan 2022, and they are increasing exponentially. If we see at some data, as of 25th March 2022, India is home to 94 unicorns with a total valuation of $319.67 billion. The year 2021, 2020, and 29 saw the birth of maximum number of Indian unicorns with 44, 10, and 9 unicorns coming each year respectively. But we see a lot of startups failing. Let's see why startups fail. The first reason is due to the lack of proper guidance by experienced mentors. Also, less knowledge about market size and the market requirements leads to a failed startup. People usually do not recognize because of weaker community and connections. They don't really get to know the market because they don't have those connections and that kind of community which is required to understand the market needs. Also, we can say that there is no such platform that solely aims to create a community and connections for startups between founders and investors. That's where we step in. Pitch ground. We provide a single platform for students, startup fellows, entrepreneurs to register and submit their ideas, prototypes, business ideas on our app. Our app provides a network for venture capitalists for analyzing those ideas, which they have an interest in, and then invest their funds in those ideas. It We also provide a bucket of mentors in different disciplines. Basically, the students who do not have a guidance but want to achieve something big, they can get mentorship from verified founders uh, through our app. So our app can be used by students and all the new age startups all over the world who want to, raise investments. It can also be used by angel investors to invest in startups, and it is also used to create a community of like-minded people so that all can grow. Investors can invest, founders can take investments, students can learn from the market, get some mentorship. These are some UI of our app. This is a login page, a profile page. You can upload your ideas. We used Android to develop our app. We use Kotlin, the recommended language from Android. We also used Figma for a UI UX and Firebase to authenticate and store some data. Our USP, talking about our USP, we emphasize on for founders to create pitches those are less than 1 minute in duration. This is because attention span in today's time has reduced significantly, and and the investors want the work to be done efficiently and quickly. So we emphasize on pitches to be less than 1 minute. We also allow only the investors to text the founders, contact the founders, and founders cannot contact investors directly. This is done to reduce spamming of an investor's inbox. Founders who are willing to provide some mentorship can also provide some mentorship to students. This way students will get a guidance of how the market works. Next, if we talk about future scopes, we are planning to implement content filtering, which will provide more customized content for an investor according to his needs, what he likes, what's his domain he wants to invest in. This will increase their efficiency and also the probability of them investing in a startup. Monetization can also be accomplished in future by charging some nominal amount of 0.1 to 0.5% of every investment that is made by an investor. Also, we can add a subscription model in which the higher educational institutions can pay us nominal subscription fees to use our platform for their students. Now I'll be showing you our prototype app.